I know I'm only human, don't know how many sunsets I've got left, and I don't want to ruin this moment by wondering what comes next. I just want to love you like it's all I'm living for, hold you close, enjoy you more, spend a little less time keeping score. Hey everyone, Blaze Guitar Lessons. Thanks for joining me today. Alright, a couple things. This is How to Play Keeping Score by Dan Shay. This was a song that was requested, so I'm trying to oblige as much as I can, everybody. Thank you so much for those of you who have subscribed, and thank you so much for your positive comments, for you guys asking me to teach you how to play different songs. I love it. I love learning them. I love teaching you guys, and I really appreciate your guys' support. So thank you so much for subscribing and hitting like and stuff. For those of you who are new, I'd ask you to please hit like and subscribe if you enjoy this lesson, because if you don't enjoy it, you don't want to come back. But so that you can get notified when I come out with new tutorials and videos. Okay. All right. Let's get into it. Standard tuning, capo on the 4th fret. All right. So the way that you're going to play this, you're going to start the song with A minor. This is going to be the main chord progression for the verses and intro, okay? You're going to do A minor, just like that. You're going to do F, okay? And you're supposed to bar it, but if you can't, just do it as a power chord, okay? And if you can't do the middle finger on the 2nd fret in relation to the capo on the G string, then just don't do it, all right? Just do it like a power chord, okay? So you can do that, and then you're also going to use C. Okay, so sorry about that. I got something in my eye. So you're going to do da 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 da. Okay, so you hear how that sounds. So it's actually being played on a piano, but I'm showing you how to play it on guitar. So all right, I hope you guys like it. So you're going to start out, you're going to do A minor, F, C, okay? You're going to go, this is the strumming pattern for it. Okay, so you end the C on down, up, okay? Down, up, down. So A minor, down, up, down, up, down, up, okay? Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, 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 up. Okay, so that's how you do it. So for the intro, you play A minor, F, C 4 times. Okay, so this is the same thing. If you're playing it if you're not playing it along with the music, if you're playing it at a campfire or something, you could do it 3, you could do it 5. It doesn't really matter. You could do it twice, but that's how they play it, is 4 times. Okay. So then for the verses, you're gonna do A minor, F, C, and it's gonna be the same strumming pattern as that intro part. Okay, so it's A minor, F, C, A minor, F, C. Okay, so I'm gonna walk you through that a little bit with the lyrics, not a ton. I don't know the song super well, even though I do love Dan Shay. So this is so it starts out with A minor. Someday we're gonna look back. So it's A minor is where you do someday. So someday. Okay, the end of day you do F. Yeah, F. We're gonna look back. So look is C. Look back. So then after back you go to on and you do A minor. On a night like tonight. Okay, so A minor is on, F is night, and like tonight is C. Okay, then you're gonna do A minor again. The car is A minor. Car I pulled. So pulled is F. Pulled up in the necklace. So necklace is C. Necklace you're wearing. Okay, won't is A minor. Won't even cross. Cross is F. Cross my minds. Okay, so that's how you play it. You just do, for the verses, you're just doing A minor, F, C the entire time. So you just keep repeating that, okay? Now for the chorus, and the bridge is different though, so I'll walk you through that after the chorus. So then for the chorus, you're gonna do F, then C. I just wanna love you. Hear that? I just wanna love. Love is sorry, that's wrong. That's not how they started. That's it later on. But I know I'm only human. So Hugh is where you do F. I know I'm only human. So man, the second half of the word man is C. Man, don't know how many so sunsets is where you can do G. Okay, so you can do F, C, G, A minor throughout the entire chorus except for at the very end. Okay, so you're gonna do I don't know how many sunsets. Sunsets is G. Sunsets I got left. Left is A minor. Okay, and I don't wanna ruin. So ruin is F. Ruin. So the second half of it is C, and that's how these typically go in this one. Is like they're really close to F and the C. All right. You know, this moment by wondering is G, wondering what comes next. I just wanna love is F, love you is C, you, like it's all is G, all I'm living for is A minor, for hold you close. Okay, so hold you close as F, close, enjoy you more C, more, spend a little less is G, less time keeping, and this is where the only time where you do it differently from that. You just do, now you're doing the A minor F C, you do it twice. Little less time keeping score, so it's A minor F C, A minor F C. So you don't sing anything for the second A minor F C, okay? But that's just kind of like transitioning back to the verse. Then you go, if we're rich to somebody. Okay, so that's where you start over. All right. So the strumming pattern, though, for the chorus is a little bit different. So it's going to be, I know I'm only huge. So down, up, down, up, down, down, up, 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 down. Okay, so that's how it is. I'm going to do it a little bit slower for you. I know I'm only human. Don't know how many sunsets. So it's down, up, 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 down, up. Okay, that's a slower way to do it. If you have a hard time with strumming patterns, play them slower. Remember, it doesn't have to be exact. Not all of them are exactly the same. I mean, for instance, we're playing this on the guitar and the song's on the piano. Not everything is going to match exactly the same, and that's okay. There's multiple ways to play things. There's multiple ways to do stuff on the guitar, like to pick the different chords you could use if you don't have a capo, different things like that. So don't stress about it if it's not exact. The rhythm guitar is just that. So like you can dance, or sorry, not dance, you can play a little bit differently to rhythm, just like you can dance differently to the same song. So with the rhythm guitar, you just want to be like on the beat with it, okay? So that's what's really important to keep in mind. Now for the bridge, so when you go to the instrumental right before the bridge, you're just going to play A minor, F, C, just like that, like you were before, but you're going to do it 3 times, okay? You're going to go, be with me now. So it starts with, it's the same as the chorus. It's just F, okay, F, C, G, A minor, and you just do that twice, okay? So then you go to the chorus again. The song is going to end on C. All right, so that's how you play the whole thing. Super easy song, but it's a really sweet, great song. Let me know if you guys have any questions, if you have any other song requests. And thanks, guys. It's been fun. I'll see you next time.